Here we have a linear quadratic system. And a while ago we did linear systems, which is the intersection of two lines. And here we have a linear quadratic system, which is the intersection of a quadratic or a parabola and a line. The one you see on the page actually has no solutions because they don't intersect. If we were solving this first by substitution and then using the quadratic formula on the resulting equation, we would find that there would be a negative number under the square root. Now, the discriminant would be negative. No solution. The graphs don't intersect. Now, if I'm able to move this a little tiny bit, let's see if we can move this up a little bit. Oops, that's not a little bit. If I can move it like right to about there, oh, a little bit more. There. Oh, it touches roughly at one spot. If we were doing the quadratic formula right now, after using substitution, we would get a 0 under the square root because we have one solution. So the whole plus or minus part would disappear. Now, if I raise this up like this, clearly I have two solutions. So we would get a positive number under the square root, the discriminant, and therefore we would have two solutions. And we would get the x values. We'd have to then find the y values. By the way, in Desmos, if I just touch the point of intersection, the answers come up. So you can check your answers with Desmos. You can draw the two graphs with Desmos and find out if they intersect, roughly where they intersect, and in fact, exactly where they intersect. Okay? So using Desmos and a graph will give you a good idea of what's going to happen in the solution when you use the formula.